morning.
Good morning. Morning, Lisa. Thanks, Tom.
Thank you, Dad.
Looks wonderful, son.
Okay, ready to spread this one, Liza?
Yes, Mom.
Here's the next one. That's just perfect, Tom. Thank you so much.
Con bé đi đưa nó này nè.
Here's the board.
Yeah, and here's the knife, love.
Perfect. Ready to start.
That's it, dear. Keep it steady. I got it, Grandma.
Wonderful job.
Here you go, dear. Thank you, Grandma. Just take your time with it.
Thank you, Mama. Almost done with these. Just a few more to go. There, all clean now.
Keep your fingers curled like this. Now, slow and steady.
Like this, Dad?
Perfect, you got it.
You've done wonderful work, dear.
Thank you, Grandma. Nice, good spot for that.
Thanks, Dad. Here are the matches, Dad. Thank you, Grandpa. I appreciate it.
Perfect timing with those carrots.
Just in time. It's going to be delicious.
All right, here are the bowls.
Thank you. I'll take these.
Yes, we'll help get them out.
Thank you so much, Tom. Happy to help, Grandma.
I hope you like this, Dad. It's been simmering all day.
Ah, smells delicious. Thank you, my son.
Here's some for you, Grandma. Thank you, my dear.
Here, try this.
Oh, thank you.
It's delicious, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Here you go, son.
Thanks, Dad.
Look at that one.
It's so beautiful.
Do you see that constellation, kids?
Yeah.
And that, my dears, is how the stars found their way into the night sky.
A beautiful story, Grandpa. I like that one. Look, Tom. Over there, do you see it? Wow, Liza, yes. And there's another one right next to it.
Oh, so tired.
Just a little further, Grandpa.
Yes, almost there.
Careful now, one step at a time.
Thank you, my boy.
You're welcome, Grandpa.
so bright. It's beautiful.
Come on, little guy. You're safe now.
There you go.
Night, Grandma and Grandpa. Isn't it just beautiful out here? If this journey brought you peace, and please stay with our family, subscribe, and like.
Good morning, everyone.
Sleep well?
Morning, Grandma.
Yes, thank you.
Smells delicious, thank you.
Join us for more calm moments. Like if you felt the peace. Don't forget to subscribe to stay with us on this journey.